Hey guys, Kelsey from Corner Coffee here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Nordic latte. So here at Corner Coffee, we serve a Nordic latte in an 8-ounce latte. And what it consists of is vanilla syrup, which we make here in-house. It's a brown sugar vanilla. And then we're going to add a little bit of cardamom and a little bit of cinnamon to make it a nice spicy sweetness to this latte. And then we're going to finish it off with a little Nordic waffle crisp to put on top. I'm going to start off by putting 7 grams of vanilla into our mug. And then we're going to follow that by a little sprinkle of cardamom and a little sprinkle of cinnamon right on top of the vanilla syrup. I have 210 grams of milk weighed out. Now I like whole milk, but you could also substitute whatever kind of milk you're looking for. And then I'm going to get some espresso going and pour a latte. I'm going to stir the espresso in with the vanilla and the spices for just a quick second to make sure that the spices aren't clumpy in there. So this is what the finished product should look like. We've got a nice little Nordic latte with a little crisp of a Nordic waffle, and I'm pretty excited to give this a try. It's quite delicious.